Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Parkside cordless coffee machine, which is called PKMA 20-LI-A1. According to the box, there is no charger, no battery within. However, they recommend a 20 volt 4 ampere hour battery. And there should be the machine itself, a mug, a spoon, a filter, and two adapters of some sort. But let's see. Okay, it included the machine. It included a filter that I need to put in this accessory that I removed it from, and then I need to put the coffee within. Then there was the mug, a lid for the mug. There is another accessory. I don't know what's this. Most probably this one is for these coffee pads or pods. I will need to check the user instructions just in case. And there was the water container, which was very well held in its place because of the rubber ring. When I wanted to lift it or remove it with its plastic handle, I had a feeling that I'm just about to break it. And of course some rainforest. Okay, let's have a look. The container itself has a scale of 120 mils, 160 mils, 200 mils, and 240 mils. Anyway, I want to try with the small and the big battery how long it's going to last. According to the instruction, it can make 4 cups of coffee with the larger battery, the 4 ampere hour. So that's around 600 milliliters and around 300 milliliters with the small one. And it says the brewing time is approximately 6 minutes, but I don't know if it's 6 minutes for 1 cup or 6 minutes for a number of cups. Anyway, first, as it's a first use now, I'm going to just run through the plain water, and I'm going to use a small and the large battery.
Driving me crazy, and lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing, driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body body's amazing. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
Okay, so far I have mixed feelings about it, because with a small battery, first it made 200 milliliters of coffee, let's say, or hot water, and then 50 mils, and then another 50 mils. So I'm not entirely sure how is it exactly. Right. Again, I've got mixed feelings about it, because each time I put 240 mils of water in it, somehow 250 mils of water came out. The brewing time, it is approximately 6 minutes, as it says, so like 5 to 6 minutes. However, what's interesting is that I expected it that I press the button and it makes 1 cup, which is, according to the box, 150 mils of coffee or water, but somehow it was keep going until the tank was empty. And another fun fact that, so each time I put these 240 mils in it, somehow 250 mils came out. So there is something wrong with the scale, either on it or with my, I don't know, with my measuring pot. Other than that, it was making, with the 4 ampere hour battery, 250, then 250, then 100, and then like 25 milliliters of hot water. So altogether it was, let's say, 600, 625. So yeah, it also delivers on that one. But for me, it is really interesting that it's keep pushing the water out until there is water in the tank. So you meant to stop yourself the brewing? I don't know, but anyhow, let's have a look at with some coffee. Okay, obviously after you used it, make sure you rinsed off nicely everything, you wiped it down, you empty the container of the water or this reservoir, and so on and so on. Otherwise, would I recommend or not? I would say if you have nothing else, no other possibility, then heck yeah, why not? It's better than not having a nice brew. But other than that, I'm not convinced about it. Yeah, I have another 18 these coffee pillows or pods or pads. I'm going to use the machine to finish those 18 pads, and then I will decide if I keep it or I will do something else with it. But personally, I'm not entirely happy with it. Obviously, you need to use your batteries that you have for your tools. So another question is, do you have a spare fully loaded or fully charged 4 ampere hour battery with you? or you use it for the coffee making and then you want to use actually a tool and the battery is flat. You need to keep an eye on when to switch on off the machine. So I don't know, it's not entirely for me, but again, it's better than nothing. Anywho, that concludes this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.